This is my first experimental attempt to teach a dumbbell row by video. So I'm going to do this, an air row. It's got a 1 pound dumbbell. That's effectively nothing. But this is to show the proper motion of the arm in the row. Now a row is a horizontal pull exercise. We're going to teach a low row and a high row and then a middle row. Those are the 3 positions of the upper arm off the body: low, high, and middle. The important thing to understand, this is a back exercise. So we've got the real image from the front and the mirror image from the back. Now, let's look what happens in a low row. The elbow comes close to the body and that shoulder opens here because the shoulder blade is back. See the mirror image, how the shoulder blade is back? This way we can see that this is a back exercise. It's not an arm exercise. And if I pull that just to there, it's going to be really good. If I pull too far, I lose some things. I'm not pulling through the back anymore. So there's a low row. The elbow goes just past the plane of the back, and all of these back muscles contract, and this opens because my shoulder blade has come back. All right, now let's do a high row. In the high row, once again, the elbow comes just past the plane of the back here. And if you look in the mirror image, you see that shoulder blade goes far away from the spine, and it comes close to the spine. It goes far from the spine, and it comes close to the spine. And those are back muscles, and it's down far from my ears. I don't want to hunch this up as I do this. I want to pull that. That's not a good one there. I want this down far from the ears, and I'm pulling that back. And you see all these back muscles in here that are contracting, and that elbow goes just past the plane of the back. Now, the rows I'm going to have you do most are middle rows, in which my arm is 45 degrees off the body. And now we can see all these long back muscles. Elbow goes just past the plane of the back. The shoulder is open. Those back muscles are contracted. Now this is all fine and good upright. And if I'm really squeezing those, I am getting some building effect, some muscle building effect. However, we're very strong in our back muscles. So we really want to do this with a heavy weight because we can really pull a lot of weight with those back muscles. So that's part A, high row. Part A video, low row. It's got to get that back. See that final contraction? And middle row. That's the part a lot of people miss, is that where I'm contracting all those muscles in there. You see that? Pulling it right back. All right. Now let's see what that looks like when we put a heavier weight in and get horizontal.